Yo, what is up, YouTube family? I'm your hostess with the mostest, Jazz, and today, if you can't tell, I don't have a voice. I have like zero voice left to give. I've been like this for a few days, but anyway, it's not really the point. I didn't really have a video for you this week, so I'm going to try to put something together for you. I don't really look that good, do I? I got to get over here back where the light is. I didn't really have anything to cook for you. Got back from Mexico. We've had a pretty rough week. Had to do my little side gig, and so that's kind of where I'm at right now. I didn't really have anything going on to cook. I didn't have anything to make. I didn't have any wild and crazy schemes going on or anything like that. But I do have something to introduce to you. I know I have a little bit of a grill problem. I have a little bit of a grill collection issue. Now, not as bad as some people. Not as bad as some people, but I do have a little bit of an issue. And I want to thank my buddy Caleb for helping me out on this issue because he brought me something. He brought me a gift that I just could not turn down. But there's a little bit of an issue, and I'll show you why in a second. So, let me introduce to you number 8. Bam! Check that out. That is an electric Brinkmann gourmet electric smoker. Now, that's kind of where I'm having my issue, is it's electric. Like, electric smoker? What the heck? But it was a gift. It was I paid zero amount for it, and we're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna clean it up. We're gonna check it out, and we'll give it a shot and see what happens. I'm not sure what I'm gonna cook on it just yet, but I do like is that somebody at one time decided to put some wheels on it, so it is mobile, which is cool. I like that, but. Yeah, let's see. Let's open it up. I haven't really got to look in the inside of it yet. It's really dirty. No, it's all kind of in pieces. Don't look too bad, though. Grates and stuff look good. All right, we'll have to clean it up. We'll get on that. We're going to clean it up. We're going to do some cleaning tonight anyway. Look at my cooking area. It is just like there's grass everywhere. All kinds of stuff. There's cobwebs. Everything is dirty. I used that grill last night, so it's really dirty, but everything is just filthy. I need to take this off. I need to clean out the ash pan in my pellet grill and just spray everything down. All my walls are dirty. Everything out here is just absolutely filthy. So, let's get to doing some cleaning tonight, shall we? Alright guys, so I think we did alright. I mean, we got everything nice and clean, nice and shiny. Got my grill covers clean. Those things, whew, they needed clean bad. This one over here was real bad. I probably need to get the water off there, but it'll be alright. We'll try to drain it. No, okay. But all my walls and stuff were filthy. That box was filthy. Everything was just absolutely filthy out here. Everything over here was just absolutely filthy. So I think I got it all. I'm sweating now. Look at this. Ooh, buddy. Alright, so hopefully my voice comes back here soon. And I'll make some better videos. But right now, that's all I got for you guys. Oh, I wanted to show you. Before you, when you wash a pellet grill, when you spray a pellet grill down, always remember, if you have one of these boxes like I do, I have like a pellet box that holds all my pellets. I don't know if you can see that or not. You see it? There you go. See all those pellets in there? And I accidentally got it wet. So my bad on getting it wet. It's I'm hoping I didn't get a lot of water in there. I didn't spray a bunch of water in there, but I sprayed enough that I'm worried that I might ruin those pellets. So I'm gonna leave it in the garage. I'm gonna leave it uncovered, and hopefully it won't suck up any water. Hopefully the little bit of water that's on the edge of the box will hopefully dry up, and then I won't have to worry about it too much. So anyway, that is all I have for you this week. I'm done. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go get a drink because my voice is getting worse. But everything out here just needs to dry, and everything in there needs to dry. I don't know if you can see all that, but it kind of drags some water around. But anyway, I want to do a video on this electric smoker. I'm gonna buy something and smoke on it soon. I want to do some more smoking videos. I just haven't really had the time. There's been a lot going on with our trip and kids in ball and all that stuff. So hopefully in the next couple of videos we'll do some smoking. So anyway, we'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter at NewbieQ2020, and TikTok at NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue. And we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace.